Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two top payroll and HR platforms, Paychex and Gusto. Whether you are starting a small business or managing a growing team, this video will help you decide which is right for you. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about features. Paychex is a powerhouse with a wide range of offerings from payroll and tax filing to advanced HR services, benefits administration, and even retirement planning. It's designed for businesses of all sizes, but it especially shines for medium to large organizations. On the other hand, Gusto focuses on small to mid-sized businesses, offering an intuitive platform that combines payroll benefits and HR tools. It's praised for its simplicity and user-friendly design. Gusto's standout feature their all-in-one approach that makes it easy for small business owners to manage HR without getting overwhelmed. Now, let's talk pricing. Paychex pricing is customized based on your business needs, which can be great for tailored solutions, but it's not always transparent. You will need to request a quote to know how much you will pay. Gusto, however, offers transparent tiered pricing starting at just $40 per month plus $6 per employee. This makes it super appealing for startups and small teams looking for a predictable cost. Customer support is another big factor. Paychex provides 24/7 support with dedicated account managers for premium plans, which is ideal for businesses needing personalized assistance. Gusto offers excellent support too, but it's mainly available during business hours. Their extensive online resources and help center, however, often fill the gap for a common issue. Finally, scalability. Paychex is built to grow with your businesses, offering advanced tools and integrations for larger teams. If you're planning to expand rapidly, Paychex might be the better choice, but if you're a small business looking for a straightforward, cost-effective solution, Gusto, simplicity, and transparent pricing make it a winner. So, which platform is right for you? It all comes down to your business size, budget, and needs. Let me know in the comment below, and thank you guys for watching this video. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.